how to potty train in 3 days. Yes, just 3 days. But if you get this wrong, you could be stuck in a nightmare of abstinence, power struggles, and months of frustration. And worse, your child could develop anxiety around potty training, making the process even harder. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I've spent 10 years teaching toddlers, studied hundreds of research papers, and tested every potty training method out there. And in this video, I'm giving you the ultimate, foolproof 3-day potty training plan that actually works. You learn the biggest mistakes parents make, the step-by-step process backed by science, and the secret strategy that ensures success. But stay till the end, because if you miss the final step, this entire method won't work. Tip 1. The 3-day rule, why you must ditch the diapers immediately. Research shows that when toddlers have the option of diapers, they don't fully commit to potty training. Their brains stay in backup mode, slowing down progress. Day 1. Throw away all diapers. Yes, even for naps and nap time. Day 2. Reinforce success. Celebrate every time they use the potty. Day 3. No turning back. Accidents will happen, but no more diapers. Neuroscientists call this commitment signaling. When a child knows there's no going back, their brain adapts quicker, making potty training easier and faster. Tip 2. The bladder timer trick, used by pediatricians. Waiting for your toddler to tell you they need to go. That's why potty training takes months instead of days. Toddlers don't have the full bladder awareness at first. That's why pediatricians recommend the bladder timer trick. Set a timer for every 20 minutes on day 1. Bring your child to the potty, even if they don't ask. Reward them with claps, stickers, or tiny treats when they try. By day 3, their brain automatically connects the feeling of needing to go with actually using the potty. A complete game changer. If you're finding this valuable, hit the subscribe button. I put in hours of research, editing, and filming while working full-time teaching kids. I'm giving you these game-changing tips for free, so subscribing really helps support the channel. Don't miss out on future videos. I have even more insider strategies coming up. Tip 3. How to prevent potty training regression. Did you know that 50% of potty trained toddlers regress within months? This happens because parents unknowingly reinforce the wrong behaviors. Never ask, do you need to go? Toddlers will almost always say no. Instead, use action-based language. It's time to go to potty. Stick to a routine. First thing in the morning, before meals, and before bed. This keeps their confidence high and eliminates hesitation. What's your biggest potty training struggle? Drop it in the comments and I'll personally reply with a solution within 24 hours for free. Tip 4. The naked method and why it works. This might sound crazy, but letting your child go bottomless for 3 days is one of the fastest ways to potty train. Why? Because toddlers learn by instant feedback. With that diaper or underwear, they immediately recognize when they have to go. It removes the safety net of diapers, making them commit. Studies show toddlers respond 30% faster to potty training when using this method. Keep them bottomless at home, and by the end of day 3, their instincts will be fully rewired. If this is helping you, hit that like button. I spent days putting together this research-packed guide, and liking the video is the best way to say thanks. Tip 5. The post-training reinforcement method. Potty training doesn't end after 3 days. It just sets the foundation. To make it stick, create a potty training reward chart with stickers for every success. Praise, but don't punish accidents. Teach them to wipe, flush, and wash hands properly. And here's the biggest rule: no more diapers, even at night. If accidents happen, use waterproof sheets and stay consistent. Know a parent struggling with potty training? Send this video to them now. It could save them months of frustration. Now, I need your help. What topics should I cover next? Comment below. Should I talk about dealing with toddler emotions, potty training at night, nutrition for brain development, or sleep training hacks? Let me know and I'll make a video on the most requested topic. Here's something you probably didn't know. Your toddler's bedtime routine could be sabotaging their potty training. Most parents make one crucial mistake at night that ruins all their hard work. Click here to watch my next video. 5 bedtime tips every parent needs. And remember, you've got this and I've got your back.